me and my mom already know what we're gonna be unboxing, but you guys don't know because this is in a box. So, and there's words on the side that say what it is. So we're gonna do the one that says, the side that says nothing, this way. So we're gonna get on into this. You guys are gonna love it. And this is the first time I'm using this, so I'm gonna be careful.
Don't have your other, see? Don't have your other hand on it, apart across from it. You just have to, like, okay. Other side.
Okay.
Don't
Okay,
have your,
okay.
don't have your
No,
other
I know.
hand across
No, I
from
know.
it.
No, I know.
Yeah, but you need to stabilize a little bit.
Okay.
Now start at this end. No, don't. Start at this end.
Why?
Like this.
Okay.
Make it a little. Don't have your other hand here. Have your other, nope. Just have it facing. You want to have the sharp part facing in toward the package. You just have to cut through the label a little bit slowly. And it has to, there.
Okay, there you go. Okay, you guys are gonna love this. It's 10. So I'm gonna tell you what it is now before I reveal. Before I reveal, this is not it.
Packaging.
It is Play-Doh. Yeah, I haven't gotten Play-Doh in a long time, so we're gonna do this. First color is purple, purple. Okay, so we're gonna open up the purple. Let's see what shade it is. Is it like dark, light? Is it dark or is it light? We're gonna find out. It's dark. Ooh, here it is. Might look blue on camera, but it's purple. 1 down, 9 more to go. Now we've got, I don't know what color this is. We're gonna find out after we open it. Yeah. What color would you say this is?
I would call that teal.
Okay, we got teal. It might look green too, but it's actually teal.
I couldn't tell from the lid if it was going to be teal or green.
Yeah, me neither. 2 down, 8 more to go. We're gonna do white now. I think you could tell from the lid that it's white. So we don't have to show you what color the Play-Doh is because you guys already know because I told you. Okay, yeah. Ow. There it is. See? I love what shape it is when it's there. 3 down. 7 more to go.
Yes. Very good. Good way to make 10.
Yes, green. Okay, there it is.
It's kind of a yellow green.
It's kind
yellowish.
it's like a light green.
A light green, yeah.
Pink is now.
The lid is really tight when you first try to open it, right?
Yeah. Okay, pink.
This is a very nice pink.
Yeah. It's very
Bright.
Yeah. Next is yellow. Yellow is so mellow. My nails. Inside of my nails. It's like so hurt.
There we go.
There it is. Yellow is so mellow. Yellow is so sunny. Yellow is so bright. Okay, first we have orange. Now we have black. I've never had black before, so it's fun to have black. Now we have some, I'd call this blue. I think it's blue.
It's kind of a light blue. It's almost exactly the same as your shirt.
I think it's the same as
your
my shirt. Okay, here's blue, 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 blue. The last color is red. Okay, I've had red before, but I've had it a long time ago, so. Fingers hurt. Okay, here's red. Okay, guys, so now, okay, bye guys. Subscribe, comment down below. And now I'm doing shout outs. I'm gonna say what a shout out is after the video, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna start doing shout outs. So if you're watching this on YouTube, which you have to because this channel is not on YouTube Kids. So you have to subscribe, like, comment down below, Bunny Squad, and we'll see you guys next, and ring the bell for notifications. And in that comment, after you write Bunny Squad, you have to write I subscribed, I liked this video, and I ringed the bell. Okay? Thank you. Bye, guys.
Bye.